It's only 6 a.m. in Edmonton, 8 a.m. here. I only slept on the plane. I'm about to sleep on the bus.
Just died like right when we parked.
I met some people that are going to the barber convention too.
Vlog?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well, when I seen her design, I was like, yeah, she probably. Fucking made it.
Yes, sir.
Look at this view, guys.
And we're back.
Come on, oh. Yo, barbers. If you're traveling with barbers, bro, you don't even gotta.
House call.
You don't even gotta worry.
Get a cut on the same day. Do you brush your tools with this?
No, this is the
Pressure brush.
This is it. This is the fit for the Grammys. I packed light, so I couldn't pack no t-shirt or dress shirt. Only one pair of shoes too. No sandals. We've been walking for 30 minutes. Motherfucking buildings just keeps on getting bigger and bigger, yo.
Did we pass it?
Bro, this is how casinos trick you. They make you go through the whole machines, and then next thing you know, you're down $500. I'm probably way too underdressed for this, but I had to pack light. Dude, everybody's so fresh. Can you believe everyone here is a barber? That's a lot of people. Big fans! That's great! I love your videos! Yo, I was trying to look for you all day, man. I didn't get sleep yet, though. Everything's so overwhelming for me right now. I can't even talk. Yo, let's go golf, bro. Yo, I'll be around. Okay. When your mentor just fucking says what's up to you, about to tear up.
Daniel Avila.
So this is the second day of the CT Barber Expo. I think today is way busier than yesterday. A lot of people didn't want to go to the Grammys, so a lot of people are just flying in now. I'm not sure if everyone here is a barber, but there's a lot. There's like thousands of barbers here. Holy fuck. So good thing I got the VIP. But I don't see no VIP line. Took like a two-hour nap. Feel energized now. God dang, I needed that nap. I was so tired after the conference. Most of them went to gamble, and I became Justine's first babysitter while Bossio's over there network. We'll see what Bossio want to do. Literally, this is what I expected and wanted from this whole show. To spend time and network literally with Bossio. Nobody else. He's got a lot to offer. And I have a lot to offer to the industry. Hopefully we can make shit happen. That's the goal, right? Imagine a place where everybody loves what they do. And it's exactly what I do, all in one building. It's just so great seeing people come together as one, fucking networking. Literally, there's nobody with bad vibes here. You can go up to anyone and talk to them. Everybody here is friendly as shit, and we all cut hair for a living, and that's fucking sick. So it's a Sunday now, nighttime. Tomorrow there's gonna be classes, and after the classes there's gonna be another, booth and stuff. But literally, what I manifested this to be happened. I literally just came here, pretty much bring value to Bossio and get to know the guy, because he changed my life and I want to give back somehow. But yeah, I only had like 2 hours of sleep the whole time I was here. I landed on Friday, explored New York for like 8 hours, got on the bus, got to here, stayed up till 7 a.m., 2-hour nap, went all the way back. I guess I took another nap after. Now it's nighttime Sunday. We're going crazy. So it's Monday, 3 p.m. now. There's another convention. I'm at the 245 booth. I have another state booked here for tonight in Connecticut. But Tuesday, I need to get out of here. I'll probably just fly to Texas. I'll go to Bossio's class there in Dallas. I have no hotels booked yet or plane booked. We'll see how it goes. We got one task. It's to give away all these shave gels. Free! Free! Yeah, bro.
$3.99.
$3.99.
Oh, thanks.
$3.99. $3.99. Come on, think Bossio. $3.99. $3.99, baby. $3.99. Last one. Take care. So yeah, 3 a.m. Picking up a homie here. The venue's done. The expo's done. But I booked a flight to Tampa last night because it's way cheaper to fly from there to Texas. So I'm gonna hang out there for the day and then go to Bossio's class in Texas, fly back to Toronto Wednesday night or Thursday morning and call it a day. I literally booked the flight last night at like 1 a.m. or 12 a.m. and now we're on the way to the airport 3 hours early. Where are we going, bro?
I'm going to Tampa.
Why am I going to Tampa, bro?
I have no clue. You're just coming. You're gonna.
I'm in Tampa. What the fuck?
You know what you fucked up?
What?
While you in Tampa, you were supposed to go to Publix and get a Publix.
Bro,